Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add images to Wix. Let's get started. So right now, I am on the Wix website and a floor wherein I can edit everything on the website. So what I can recommend you to do in order to add images is to just head over to the part of your website that you want to add that image into. So I will just head over to that, which is this one. But from in there, click on Add Elements. And then in here, this will actually show you this add elements. Just cut image right here. So from in there, you can actually upload the report, can export images from Wix, or you can also handle custom logo. So for me, I'll just upload it, import. I'll upload the image from my computer. So just click on this one, and you can drag and drag her right here, or can also head over and upload from computer. You can also upload media from your Wix account, Google Drive, Facebook, and all of those right here. So I will just drag and drop, and I will just put in this picture of a cute puppy. And then as you can see, this will upload my file. So once it's done uploading, it will actually head over and be put on my Wix widget gallery. So let's just see it here. So just choose the image, click on add to page. By the way, you can also crop and edit this or create the video out of this and also all of these actions that you can do. So click on add to page. And then as you can see, it will be added right here. So you can also rent it or resize it on your own liking. So I'll resize it just like this and I will add this right here. So if you also want to put in a picture from the Wix Media Gallery, just click on Add Elements itself, click on Image, then click on Free from Wix. So click on Free from Wix. Then from in there, just click on Show More. And then once you have done that, just search in here for the picture that you want to add. So for me, I'll just search in here for cat. And then just choose the picture of a cat that I want to use. For me, I'll just choose this one, then click on Add to Page. And then from in there, it will upload the image, so I can resize it as well. So let's just resize it. And then as you can see, we can add this right here. You can also create sections just like this in order to add images, but I prefer to put it one by one. You can also add things right here. So if you click on Add Elements here again, and you click on Free Wix Illustrations, you can also just choose the Wix illustrations that is more applicable or appropriate to you. So just do everything right here, and you can also have the option to change your image or edit the image however you want. And once you're done with everything, just click on Publish right here. So let's try to publish it. And then let's view what it looks like on the website. So it's on the general route, so it's live on general right there. And then just scroll down, and as you can see, these are the pictures that we have added earlier. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add images to Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it's helped me reach more people. See you soon.